Are mutual funds the most democratic financial product in India? Mutual funds have emerged as one of the most democratic financial products in India, allowing anyone, from a gig worker to a small town teacher, to invest with as little as 250 rupees. Systematic investment plans, SIPs, have played a crucial role in this transformation, offering a disciplined, low-barrier way for first-time investors to start small and think long-term. With rising tech adoption, simplified campaigns, and growing trust beyond metros, mutual funds are helping India inch closer to financial inclusion, but challenges like awareness gaps and digital literacy must still be addressed. Thank you.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.